Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Filecoin chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $6 mark and the $4.064 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $4.695 mark. And after seeing the formation of that wave 2, whatever we expect here on the long-term scenarios is the start of this impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we peaked in the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 1 in a move that gave us a high at around the $9.504 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis, sketch out my target areas in the formation of that wave 3 and also give you the short-term scenarios, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video by first sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $16.021 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 giving us the peak for that wave 3 and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And this Elliott wave structure that I have shown you within the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3 is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Filecoin chart, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of that wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliott wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliott wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $7.602 mark. And after seeing the formation of that wave 5, we completed an even larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized. And I now believe that we are seeing the formation of this wave 3 and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $10.097 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting the wave 3 to the upside to do, where I will also be expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And for that move to also play out in the formation of that wave 3, we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA so that we can have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up, continue unlocking higher prices, and also fully maximize our target areas. And since I'm expecting a fractal wave within the formation of that wave 3, there are chances that the breakdown that we are seeing at the moment could be the formation of this wave 2, and there are chances that we have now peaked in the formation of this wave 1 in a move that gave us a high at around the $6.552 mark, and there are chances that the breakdown we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this wave 2. And once we see the low for this second wave, then we can start another massive run up to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And if this is the case and the breakdown continues, we lose the 20-day MA maybe on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart, we can sketch out a target area for that movement to the lower side by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which lies between the $5.945 mark and the $5.802 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that second wave to the lower side to do in case the breakdown continues in the formation of this wave 2. And once we fully maximize our target area, then we can expect another massive run up to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting expecting here on the short term scenarios. And getting back to the 4-hour chart to take a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 54 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices, but in case the breakdown continues, those movements will still be supported. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.